Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to switch from one tab to another using only computer keyboard in any web browser for Windows. So without further more delay, let's begin. So right now you can see I'm using a Windows 11 operating system on my respective computer. So if you're using a Windows 10, Windows 7 or older than that, still the tricks will remain the same. So here you can use any web browser. If you're using a Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge or Opera or Mozilla Firefox or any other web browser for your respective Windows computer, still the tricks will remain the same. So firstly, say in my case I will open a Chrome web browser. You can use any web browser. So you can see I've opened different tabs, right? So here we are not going to use a computer mouse. So right now I'm using a computer mouse, right? So it's very easy using a computer mouse. So using a computer keyboard, how you can choose from one tab to other one by one. So for this, what you need to do on your computer keyboard, just press Ctrl and tab. So you can see. So you can do the same thing by pressing a Ctrl tab again. So you can see here. So using a computer keyboard, you can easily choose from one tab to another just by using this computer shortcut key, that is Ctrl and tab combinations. So using these cool tricks, you can easily switch from one tab to another using only computer keyboard in any web browser for Windows very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.